Hello guys, today I will show you how to delete duplicate text in Google Sheet. So at first open your Google Sheet from Google Chrome, then just create a document in Google Spreadsheet or Google Sheet, then just click on the data field row and columns and select all of them, and then just click on the data option from here, and now a drop down menu will be open, and then just click on the data cleanup option from here, and now click on the remove duplicates option. Now you can see all the columns has been detected and analyzed and all are checked. So click on the remove duplicates option from here, and you can see one duplicate row found and removed. 6 unique rows remain. So I had created only one duplicate row. So the remove option or remove duplicates option deleted that row. And I hope you understood this video. And if you understood this video, then just click on the like button. And thank you for watching our video.